प्रोक्तवान् अहम् अव्यायम् विवास्वान् मनवे प्रहा मनोदिक्स्वाक्वे ब्रवीत् एवं परंपरा प्रप्तम् इमां राजऋषियो विदो साकलेनेह महतो योगानस्तो परन्तपासा एव या माया तेज योगा प्रोक्त पुराक्तन भक्तोसि मे सखा चेति रहस्यं विदितम् उत्तमम्. The Lord said in the Bhagavad Gita chapter 4 text 1 that prior to speaking to Arjuna on this matter of Bhagavad Gita, Krishna has already said he has spoken the same knowledge to the sun god by the name of Vivaswan. And in return, Vivaswan spoke to Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in return spoke to Ikshvaku. In this way, the parampara, the guru-disciple succession is coming, emanated from Krishna himself. So whatever we are talking about Krishna consciousness, it is the direct message from Lord Krishna himself. So we have to take it very seriously into our life, into our heart. It's not something spoken by your husband, something spoken by your wife that you can filter here and there according to our convenience. But this subject matter is coming from Krishna. Krishna spoke to Brahma. Brahma spoke this message to Narada Muni. Narada Muni spoke to Vyasadeva. Vyasadeva spoke to Madhava. Madhava spoke to Padmanabha. Padmanabha spoke to Narahari. Narahari spoke to Madhava. Madhava spoke to Akshobhaya. Akshobhaya spoke to Jayatirtha. Jayatirtha spoke to Jnana-Sindhu. Jnana-Sindhu spoke to Dayanidhi. Dayanidhi spoke to Vidyanidhi. Vidyanidhi spoke to Rajendra. Rajendra spoke to Jayadharma. Jayadharma spoke to Purushottama. Purushottama spoke to Brahmanya Tirtha. Brahmanya Tirtha spoke to Vyasa Tirtha. Vyasa Tirtha spoke to Lakshmipati. Lakshmipati spoke to Madhavendra Puri. Madhavendra Puri spoke to Ishvara Puri. Ishvara Puri spoke to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu spoke to Rupa. Rupa spoke to Raghunath. Raghunath spoke to Krishnadas Kaviraj. Krishnadas Kaviraj spoke to Narottam Das. Narottam spoke to Vishwanath Chakravarti. Vishwanath Chakravarti spoke to Baladev Vidya Bhushana Jagannath Das Babaji. Jagannath Das Babaji spoke to Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur spoke to Gaur Kishore Das Babaji. Gaur Kishore Das Babaji spoke to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Maharaj spoke to His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada. And Prabhupada spoke to all his disciples, and their disciples have spoke to us, and now we are speaking to others in Netherlands.